Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download BlueStacks on your computer. So first, to begin, you need to launch your web browser, then search for BlueStacks or directly go to its official website, that is BlueStacks.com. Once you go here, you'll get the option of download BlueStacks, which is highlighted in blue color. But you can go ahead and click on this option of see all versions. And this will take you to a new page where you can go ahead and scroll down, then see and download a specific version based on your need and according to your device. So go ahead and choose whatever version you want to download, tap on download, and the installer will be downloaded on your device. Then after, you need to launch the installer, tap on install, and please wait for the download to finish. This may take some time depending on your internet speed and computer. Then after, you can go ahead and launch your BlueStacks application and set it up as an Android environment. You can sign in with your Google account, and then you can start installing apps and games on your PC. So that's how you install BlueStacks on your computer. So if you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.